It's prime time.
What's up, peoples? It's your man's E-Man with the dance. Back here with another one, you feel me? Mukbang today. Today is Taco Tuesday, you feel me? But this is the first time I'm gonna be cooking for a mukbang. So, make a little taco, little hood nachos, Doritos or whatever. You know that's how we do it. What up, though? Detroit, you feel me? But yeah, stay tuned. We got awesome guests today too. Y'all will see a little later. But yeah, we out here, man. We out here. Huh? All right. Yeah. What's up, my peoples? It's your man's E-Man with the dance. You feel me? Here with awesome guests.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Ben 10 in this thing. Benny. Let them know your social, you feel me, media.
At urban.suburban. That's BENNBENN urban suburban.
Yeah. Enunciate, okay?
Exactly. People miss
Okay.
those little things.
Yeah, we doing a little mukbang, you feel me? As I told y'all earlier, I did my little thing. It's the first time I actually prepared the meal for the mukbang and everything. So we about to see what's going down here for Taco Tuesday.
Eee.
Yeah. Hey.
Galina.
We
Yay.
got the hood nachos, you feel me, with the Doritos,
Who's
got
judging?
Yeah, Ah, don't you fret. Okay, there we go.
Focus.
Focus, my baby. Okay, there we go, my baby.
Ooh,
Here we ooh, dressed up,
Don't judge mine.
Oh yeah, she like the
That's nothing but
Yeah.
sour cream on that. Just
With
mind
the
your business.
the little nacho tacos. You feel me? Get it in there. Get it in there,
And
my
your
baby.
camera likes me.
Yeah, there we go. There we go, my baby. All right.
Yeah.
So we about to do this thing.
All right. I'm new to this, so you got to.
Okay.
Amen.
We church kids, you feel me?
Look, PKs all day.
Yes, sir. So I'm try to do the nachos, you feel me?
Okay, you know something. You know how to do something. Okay. Mm. You know here playing these F-boy games and you know how to do something. Mm.
You got, bachelor like I know how to can't eat fast food every day, you feel me?
I would hope not. That's tragic.
Guess you wondering what's in this cup.
Mind your business.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
So Ben 10, what's been up?
Nothing.
If y'all know, we go back.
Ooh. That's 10 whole years. 10, 11 years. 10, 11. Ooh, you old.
Yeah, that's tough. But at the same time, it's blessed, you feel me?
Okay.
But yeah, we used to be on dance party, the Detroit dance party, dance show, doing doing what we did.
Yeah, but
Yeah, that's crazy.
man, 10 years go by quick.
That's tough.
Mm. Okay. It's not bad. The shell's not bad. Gets a little. Gets a little to it.
You hit the. You feel me? Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Yep. Yep. We got something here.
Yeah, we getting it together right quick. You feel me?
Not even about to fuck. We just gonna eat.
It's about to turn into an SMR.
Man.
So what's up, guys? No.
It really does have a little kick behind it, though. That's why I'm not upset.
Oh, okay. I ain't even got to that one yet.
You
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, what you been listening to in your car when you ride? Your
Ooh.
playlist.
Lord. Depends on the time of day.
Okay.
Yeah, so in the morning, definitely a gospel child. In the afternoon.
Oh yeah, you gotta start off.
Exactly.
Get that energy right.
Mm-hmm. Afternoon, definitely a trap soul person.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Then yeah, that hot evening where you stuck in traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely a thug. So but I'm a 90s thug, so you gonna get that that Missy Elliott, that Busta Rhymes. You gonna get that 90s thug. So
Oh yeah, the classics. Yeah.
Exactly.
My vibes with that 90s kid stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel that. Any new artists you like out?
Mm-hmm. I love her. Period.
More ways than one. Yeah.
I love her. Giveon. He definitely hits. Let me see. New artists that I like. Not that I don't like people.
Yeah, but like yeah.
I'm picky with my music. So God, now you got me about to look at my playlist. Like, who do I have here?
Go crazy.
Who do I have? Like, I find music. I just keep on going.
You know, Benny got good music taste, so I'm sure it's fire.
That's it. It's to my soul. I listen to my soul.
As you should,
Man. New artist. Aha. Okay, so it's this artist. I gotta remember what state he's in, but songwriter Alan Poe. Yes, literally that's his name, songwriter Alan Poe. So he's dope. He's real dope. Like, yeah.
Okay. Y'all go check him out, people.
Like, he literally just dropped a track called 90s Type of Love, and it's not what you think. I like it. I mess with him tough.
I'll check that out.
I don't know. I think he's like the most recent that I've really been hitting on lately. I love Kiana Lede. Her
Definitely.
yeah, she has things that she has covers that to me are like crazy. So
yeah, I'm supposed to drop a dance video I did to one of her songs. Well,
which one?
it's the it's like you hate me. It's like hate me, something like that. I forgot, but I'm sorry. But it's a fire song though. Y'all see it. I edited it.
He said I'll edit it. It's like, look, things happen. She used to drop these mixes to me. They were like round table mixes that were just amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Soulful Sessions. That's what it's called.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the most recent on my playlist. Kiana's not recent. Like, yeah, she's not recent. I've been rocking with her since the Soulful Sessions, Soul Food Sessions.
Oh, you a real one. Okay.
Oh, darling. I like to catch them when they in the beginning. Like, I like to see the growth in the process.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good crunch action.
Man.
Indeed.
Whole thing said we about to fall apart today. Well, what about you, young man?
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it a little extra on.
Might have did a little something there. Okay. I'll be listening to, Brent Fayez and of course her. That's
Clearly.
That's the heart right there. But
He said that's the heart. Does she know that? She gonna find out.
Hey. If y'all add her in one of them vids, I'll make one. I dance whatever song y'all suggest.
Let's see.
Let it get to her before they try to tank my baby. Stay in the fight, all right?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, continue.
But yeah, a lot of these new artists coming doing their thing, even though B Smith been around, I ride with B Smith.
Mm-hmm.
He's a cool dude too. Like whenever I dance one of his songs, he'll repost it and be like, "Fire!"
Hey.
Shouts out to you. You a real one. Yeah. Who else I was listening to? Pink Sweat. Him and Sway Lee and
Okay.
P&B got a new song. That's dope. But yeah, I listen to all type of music and stuff. If you got a good vibe to it, I'm rocking with you.
Mm-hmm.
Man, what you watching these days? Any movies? Any sleep?
Okay. I watch the back of my eyelids on a regular basis. Like, it's a whole series. Is Damn Zoe.
Okay.
Look,
That's one thing about the hood.
you gonna get some music. But Damn Zoe. That and Zoe Nation, that man.
Oh, okay.
I actually get upset when he doesn't do a Messy Monday on Monday. Like, I feel like I get offended. I really be like, I want to DM him and tell him, get your ass on my damn YouTube. Because I'm, where are you? I don't know what's going on, but you need to fix it. And yeah, I love watching him.
Okay.
He's funny.
Okay.
Let me see. What else? I've been watching Loki a lot on
Disney Plus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That.
Yeah.
Ooh, it makes you think. Are the good guys really the good guys? Or are the bad guys really the good guys? I think the bad guys are the good guys. Have you been watching?
Definitely.
Dark.
Man.
Hey.
Y'all know the vibe. I like the humor they have.
That man is just funny. This last episode though, that got me. I'm just like, oh my gosh. It makes you really think.
Yeah. If y'all even watching, y'all go watch it. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
We ain't gonna spoil nothing for y'all.
Absolutely not. Um, Shoot. Not even gonna lie. I've been slacking.
Yeah,
Work,
definitely.
work, and
Definitely.
ooh,
I feel you.
that 6 month hiatus was everything, and it makes me it makes me think like, do I want to disappear again? Because I was so happy.
The people gonna miss you.
That was cute. That was definitely cute. I had people like legit mad at me because
I bet.
I'm just like, when are you gonna take time for yourself? Be quiet. Shut everything off.
Yeah, that's real. That's real.
So I may do it again.
Mm.
We gonna see.
Yeah. Sometimes online can be a bit much.
A bit.
Yeah,
You
I
were
was
just being so cute today. like a bit. Oh my gosh.
PC head ass. Okay. But yeah. But yeah, I feel you.
Oh yeah. I've been slacking on a lot. I still need to see Fast 9.
Same here.
But I feel so
Even
out
though, you know, thought they was gonna be stop doing them, but yeah.
They got 10. They said they wanted 10. They doing 10.
Okay. But yeah.
And I'm here for all 10.
Hey. So when you gonna start back dancing? Well, not. I ain't gonna say start back, but you know, do a little sesh one of these days.
I don't know. I really have no clue. I live through my little sister right now. That's why I'm like,
Okay.
she out here. I'm so proud of Delisha. I'm so proud of you. It's just,
Go crazy.
baby. She took that trip to California, and that was it. So I watch her videos, and I remember the day,
Yeah,
and then I'm like, okay, eventually I'll probably come back.
Oh yeah.
Eventually, probably.
I'm gonna continue to work on her, y'all. We gonna get her back there.
We gonna see.
You know. Wow. I'm still working. Okay.
As you can see, the process is still pending.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But I don't know. I kind of, it was more so a habit, or not a habit, but a hobby for me.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah.
my thing was more so, if something were to happen and the doctor were to tell me I could never dance again, what was I gonna do?
That's true.
And that's where everything changed for me. So then I decided I'd rather own the dance studio than to rent it. So still in progress.
Yeah. That's okay. That's dope though. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's 100 right there.
Yeah. But yeah, that's
what's been up with Ben, huh? Ben 10 out here.
that's look, little things. Still getting little things together. Certain things I don't talk about. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and see it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Hey. Hey, that's what's been going on. As you can see, I was smashing as she was talking. You feel
Darling,
me?
because I'm definitely over here like, Brittany, slow down.
Yeah,
Slow down. Don't eat it all in one setting, because y'all would just be sitting here watching us eat. I mean, that's the purpose, but
like,
no conversation.
I ain't trying to toot my own horn. You feel me? You know, I do a little shop.
He knows something.
Yeah, you know, we dropping this content. We'll be dropping more, mukbangs and vlogs, all that good stuff. All right, y'all been rocking. We've been at this a year now. Okay, my people, we out here. We doing our thing. Hey, okay. All right. Yeah, well, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all go follow Benny too. She awesome.
I'll give y'all something to look at soon.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And it won't be me eating this delicious food. Y'all are just gonna be left out next time.
Ooh. All right. Yeah. But yeah, people, y'all know how it go. Like, come subscribe, hit that Noti-Bell. Y'all know that's a notification bell, but y'all know I call it the Noti-Bell. You feel me? And we out here. All right. Love y'all.
Pause. Wait a minute. So, I just thought about this. I know.
What?
So, you had vegetarian lasagna
Oh, yeah.
the other day.
Yeah.
How'd that go for you?
She put me hip to some vegetarian lasagna. It was fire too. Like, it was a big piece and I killed it too. Yeah. And she put me hip to armadillo. Armadillo.
He said he was gonna say it too. He said he was gonna mess it up.
No, it's
Amaretto
Okay.
sour.
Okay.
Sour armadillo. Like you hit to a whole animal. That's real.
That's crazy. Ain't been nowhere. That's tough.
Tragic.
But yeah, it was fire though. I like trying out new stuff. Like, as a vegetarian, if I were one, I'd be getting that down there every day.
Man.
But yeah, it's fire. At this little Italian joint, I was like, you're breaking my fucking balls here, Benny, okay? So,
All right, Tommy.
But yeah. Y'all know the vibes. We out here. Love y'all.